Let's learn English.
Hi, I have a reservation under the name John at 7 p.m.
Let me check. Yes, we have your table prepared. Please follow me.
Thanks. I would like a table for one, please.
Here's the menu. What can I get you today?
I'll start with a drink. Do you have lemonade?
Yes, we do. Also, our today's special is grilled salmon with roasted vegetables.
That sounds good. I will have the today's special as my main dish, please.
Would you like any starter or side dish?
Yes, I'd like the tomato soup as a starter, and I'll take a side of mashed potatoes.
Great choice. Anything else?
For dessert, I would like the chocolate cake. And could you bring me an extra spoon?
Of course. Here you go.
Could you pass me the salt, please?
Here you are. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, it was great, thank you. Before I go, I'd like to get something to take away for a friend.
Of course. What would you like to order?
I'll take a chocolate cake, please.
No problem. I'll have it packed for you. Here's your takeaway. Are you ready for the bill?
Yes, can I split the bill, please?
Sure. Will that be by card or in cash?
I'll pay by card.
Got it. Would you like to leave a tip?
Yes, I'll leave 10%.
Please subscribe for more.